Hi friends, you are watching Unboxing Physics, where we know, learn and understand physics easily.
So friends, this is the sixth and the last part of the series, The Mystery of Spacetime Relativity. On this part, we will discuss how general relativity and its theories given are proved correct. There have been many experimental proofs, but we will discuss the three main proofs given by various scientists which proves general relativity. Let's start. How is general relativity proved correct? So, let's get started. The first proof came way back in May 29, 1911, when Arthur Eddington proved with an experiment that light actually bent under the influence of the curve of the space-time produced by the mass of an object. Einstein predicted that light bent due to strong gravitational field. He said that the star we look in the sky, most of them are shifted due to various heavy mass objects bending their light. Since in our solar system, Sun is the heaviest mass object, so the stars behind the Sun does not look in its actual position. Einstein predicted the angle of bending of light with his equation, and then he asked Arthur Eddington to note down the position of star on the day of solar eclipse in May 29, 1911. Because in general we cannot see the stars behind the Sun, but we can do this on the day of solar eclipse. Arthur Eddington noted down the data and found a gap between the positions, which means that the star's position was not the same as of any other day, and thus proved bending of light due to gravitational field. A famous film is made on this topic, which is Einstein and Eddington. You can watch this to know more about this topic. Einstein also said that gravity also affects time. Where there will be more gravity, the time will move slowly, and where there will be less gravity, time will move fast. So to prove this, scientists did an experiment. They took two atomic clocks which had the same time and also worked simultaneously, and put one of them on the high mountains and the other in the deep seas. And as proposed by Einstein, we know that gravity is more towards the center than towards its outer surface. So the time on the mountains will move fast and the time on the seas will move slow. And the same happened. The latest and the most accurate proof came after April 2004, with gravity proof B putting a gyroscope in the Earth's orbit. But the planning of this experiment started way back in 1959. According to Einstein's theory, frame dragging is created due to revolution of Earth. And if this was true, then we could prove it with a simple object called a gyroscope. Normally a gyroscope's axis would point in a fixed direction and would not move. But if Earth was really creating frame dragging, then it would shift the axis to a certain extent. This was a brilliant idea, and by the data received from gravity probe B, it was proved that Earth is actually creating space dragging and the space is something real. So this is the end of our series, The Mystery of Spacetime Relativity. In our next video, we will give a summary of the whole series with slide presentation. So hit the like button, comment on what topic you want us to make a video, and also consider subscribing.
Thank you for watching. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.